Hey, it's Keith from Outlaw Speed Shop, and this is a unboxing video. I don't do them very often. I got this one from Jay. He's from Jay's Diecast Creations here on YouTube. I will put a link down below. So, without further ado, I've always wanted to say that, without further ado. I hate it when people say that too. This is kind of a raw, unfiltered, unedited video. And you'll probably see why I do voiceovers instead of live stuff. But anyways, so let's get into this. I have not opened it at all. And always cut away from you, not like I'm doing. If there are kids watching and you like to play with knives, at least do so safely. Just kidding, don't play with knives. Well, try not to anyways. Packaged very well. That's right. I had won the 100 subscriber giveaway. So let me put this over here out of the way. Envelopes. Hope it's the golden ticket. Ah, nice. Perfect. I have a whole row of stickers up top here. So I'm going to put that up here. And I'll stick it on my bench like I always do. And he sent me a love note, which I won't. He likes long walks on the beach, fireplaces, talking about his feelings. I'll read this kind of a personal letter. Okay. So, sorry, Jay, I'm just busting your balls. Let's see what we got here. Nice. Cyclone. I've been wanting to do one of these. Kind of going crazy with it. It's already got the right body shape and style, and it's perfect for, actually I got some wheels. Where did I get them? So I can find them here. I got these wheels from Angel Rod Art on Instagram, so I think these would be perfect for this. They come with a bunch of different sizes, so timing is everything. Get that. I got some Gaslands type guns and weapons and bits and baubles. Jesus Christ, is that a freaking, yeah, that's a machine gun. Like a Gatling gun. I gotta get back into doing Gaslands builds. It's been a while. What else we got? Subaru Impreza. For a Subaru and for a non-Real Riders premium casting. Look at the detail on this thing. That is slick. I can hear the wastegate popping from here. That's cool. Nice GTO. I started, you know how expensive these frickin' things are? Before I bought my Challenger, I don't know if some of you don't know, you don't follow me on Instagram or Facebook, I purchased a 2019 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack wide body. But I was looking for these. These things are like $24,000, $25,000 still. These things are crazy. Some are even higher. So this would be kind of cool. I love GTOs, and I like what Pontiac did with this, with the horsepower and everything that they did. They even got the dump tubes over here. Nice. What do we got here? Vans. It's kind of this is perfect for the Gaslands thing. I could probably weather it and keep the 911 stuff on there. Put some different rims on it. And another van. If you guys don't know, I collect pretty much Chevelles and vans. And I've got a lot of everything, but those are the two that I tend to care for the most. Nice. Kind of get that color shift purple. You know, I like the super vans, but the Dodge they did a really good job in the casting. I'm not a big fan of the wide open moonroofs, but with the side pipes and the way this front spoiler is, you gotta really love these things. I've done quite a few. I've done a Iron Maiden one, and then I did a couple other ones for the custom van challenge, fantastic build off thing, which I'm going to be doing again this year at some point. What else we got? And another van. Is this the Matchbox one? Yeah. Wow, this is in good shape. Nice. It's got the port windows. Anybody want some fresh fish? But yeah, this is cool. It's a Chevy van. It's got the two plus the port windows. It's rocking. Don't come knocking. All right. What else we got here? Oh, look at that. Now, I'm not a huge fan of the four-wheel drives. The monster trucks. But between the chassis and the car, I mean, look at the paint job they put on these things, the decals. It's like they go over and above on the monster trucks. I wish they'd put that much attention to detail on some of their mainline stuff. But this is freaking cool. I would actually gas lands the shit out of that. I don't know what I would do, but I don't know. That paint's kind of cool. I don't know if I just want to put this on a regular, make my own chassis and then put something else, on this. But yeah, that would be freaking cool. Because I kind of dig the paint. I'm not crazy about the purple windows, but make a gasser out of that shit. All right, that's cool. What else we got here? Ooh, Camaro. I haven't seen this. I'm not going to lie. I haven't been out shopping since this whole COVID thing hit. Not because of any reason, but my local Walmarts and places where I'd pick up cars normally, they haven't had crap for even before COVID hit. So I just really don't. I order everything online, so I haven't had to go out. But this is cool. I'd like to make a drag car out of this. What else we got? Another van. This one I probably wouldn't touch. I didn't like this. What's this from? Majorette. Number 279 of 234. It's 165th scale. That's kind of cool. It's like a Ford. It's got the Ford nose anyways. Can't really tell what it is. It's probably some overseas brand that I'm not familiar with. And probably gas lands that too. I like this. I like weird stuff that, you don't see a lot of. It's like, gassers. I mean, go through Instagram, you see one every 2 seconds. So this must be the winning. It says hip hip hooray on it, so it's cool. Very well packaged. Seller highly recommended. Now I'm going to struggle like an idiot on here. There we go. Here we go. I was waiting for like one of those snakes to pop up. There we go. Oh, very well done. All right. I want to get this out without ruining it here. Yeah, this was his build for our gas lands. How cool is this? The weathering he did, I don't know if my camera is going to pick it up, but he did a phenomenal job on this Porsche. Yeah, see, it was for the 100 subscriber. I mean, just the detail is actually really, really, really good. You can see all the bits and pieces. He does have a video for this, so make sure you check out his channel with the link down below. But he did a phenomenal job on this. And it's not. I mean, a lot of times people say, "Oh, it's over the top." Sometimes it's easy to keep going and adding stuff and adding stuff and adding stuff to a build. I think he stopped at the right spot. He's got the harpoon. He's got a chain right here. So when it's connected to the harpoon. It's just the little things. I love these kind of things as well with the fender guards. He did a really, really good job on this. And what I kind of dig about it is it doesn't sit, up here. It's low to the ground, even though he's got these big ass tires on it. This is unbelievable. I'm very appreciative to have won the giveaway I never really win anything, so I feel kind of special. But yeah, this is awesome. Huge props to Jay. He's an up-and-coming channel. He has, he's like me. He kind of tells it like it is, and we need more of that in this hobby. And it's entertaining. The biggest thing with doing videos for this kind of stuff is it's hard to do it and not just get monotonous. You can only do, you know, here's the car. Here's the car at this stage. Here's the car at this stage. Here's the final result. Thanks. It gets boring. So, we're here to not just show you how to do something, but to educate you as well and to make it entertaining, most importantly. If I just say, here's my Dodge Charger, it's been polished and painted, and the next thing, and I'm talking monotone, Bueller, you guys are going to fall asleep and you're going to skip to the end. So to find people that are not only good at what they do, but to be entertaining while they're doing it is hard to do. So my hat's off to him. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I know I don't do these very often, and I'm not going to do them very often, but I appreciate the box and the extra stuff. I can't wait to delve into some of this when I have time. All I can say is thank you, and make sure you check out Jay's Diecast Creations. Catch you on the next one.